traditional lace, but then with this, they're different. So I mean, I love our dresses, otherwise I wouldn't be wearing them here. Yeah.
Well, you guys say tea. Much.
Everybody likes it.
You can just pretend the coffee machine is broken again. Works.
At the moment.
Circus, and there is a good service to all other London Underground lines.
Right. Cheers then.
Cheers.
Well done now, everything fixed. What next?